Okay, so we got the E60 off the trailer. I think the good news is we might have a buyer for it, just the way it sits. So we'll see. There's a few interesting things we had to deal with. Jumping miles, apparently. For some reason they put that on there. The shifter was stuck, and I read a thing on it, how to fix it, and I'll go ahead and pull this out. We'll go ahead and show you how to do it from the get-go. There's a few videos of this up already, but a lot of them aren't tagged right and they're hard to find. So your trim bezel sits on there like this, right? Okay, so you stick your fingers in there and you pull the bezel off. This has little snaps on it. All right, then in here, this one has a keyhole. Some of them have a straight a spot for a straight screwdriver. Get the key out, and this is the glove box key, so it's plastic. You stick the key down in there, you turn it, and then you pull it out. Okay, we'll put that back in our fob like so. That's going to reveal a little hole, and you could use a screwdriver. The screwdriver in the trunk works. This one didn't have that. We'll go ahead and use this, and we're gonna stick it in there, and we're going to flip it back like that. And how that works, it goes back and latches. So if I could do it one-handed. At any rate, you push it back and latches. That puts it neutral. And like I said, the problem was the shifter was stuck in park and it won't come out. And without that, in fact, even this one is set up here, it was actually in neutral, but it was still in park. I hooked the scanner to it, reset it, and then it went ahead and worked correctly. But I'm not sure if it just because we can't start this thing is why it won't function, or if there is a problem with the shifter. I don't think there is. It seemed like it functions correctly. So anyhow, and as you know, you push this button to shift it, and then your park's up here. So that's kind of the way that works. And then your reassembly, you just put this guy here back in like so, and that's supposed to lock, and then you turn it with your key to lock position, tuck your string in, and you put your shifter bezel back on like that. And that's it, guys. That is pretty much it. And then we just put the key in the ignition to free the steering lock, so when we're rolling, the steering wheel is not locked. And yeah, that is your how to get your shifter out of park when there's an issue or your battery's dead.